coin changer, which is great. Kapsa, hostel Verde Kapsa. Hotel here, but here I am in my PJs. We're gonna do the laundry. It was just so random because I slept in the afternoon. Now I have a lot of energy. Gonna have to evangelize them. This is something. Nag-work ako dati dito sa Singapore. 2012 ako nag-start. I was a fresh graduate that time. Pero sa restaurants ako. Pero syempre, medyo I've heard about these and things. And just like everyone else, focus ko as OFW, magkapera. You know, magkapera. But fast forward, last year I became a Canadian citizen. I have a passport to prove that. And basically, there's one truth that I realized that most of us don't know, and it's actually a good news. That there's only one way to heaven, and that means that there's only one way to access what the kingdom of heaven can give us. And it's not just about when mamatay tayo, tapos we can also access what the kingdom of heaven want to give us here. You don't have to sleep, to toil. You don't have to overwork. Kasi sabi ng word of God, God gives sleep to those who so there's some food. Maybe I would love some coffee, I don't know. Laundry. What do I want? Cream cheese, smoke